Hi, it's Mrs. Carl with Sight and Sound Reading. Today, can you give me a high five? Please, I need a high five today because I am so proud of you. I'm so happy at the way you're working and the way you're reading. You are working hard because I know that it's a lot of work to become a good reader. But my goodness, I'm so proud of you. So today now, we are on day 43, the review day. We've already learned the two words the last time we were together, but now we have to review them and read this together. So come and help me now. Here we are, day 43. We had two new words. Do you remember the words? What is the boy doing on the trampoline? He's jumping, right? So the word was jump. We had the word jump. And then we had another way of saying he, meaning a boy or a man, and that was not the word he. We had the word him. Him. Ha-im. Ha-im. Him. The word him. Him. All right? Now, I want you to get off your chair or whatever you're sitting on, and I want you to walk. See if you can see this and still do it, all right? We're going to find the word jump. And when you find the word jump, I want you to jump. All right? Jump. When we find the word jump, yell jump and jump. Here we go. We're going to start again now. Ready? You ready? Here we go. Jump! 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 I hope you're jumping. Come on, jump when it's going to get it. Jump! Jump! Are you jumping? Jump! Jump! That was great. You know what you can do? Why don't you go get your mom or your dad or your grandma, who's ever there, and why don't you follow along and make them jump when you yell the word jump? Remember, jump is J-U-M-P. Do you know what sound the J says? Jump. Jump. All right? Can I have it one more time? Can we read this together? Because this is our review one. I need good reading. Please, here we go. The girl said, "See what he can do? He can jump. See him jump up and down. We can jump up and down after him. We are not too little to jump. We can all jump here. We can see what we can do." The little boy said, "We can run and get Mother. Mother can see him jump too. Mother can see what he can do. Mother can see what we can do. We can jump after him. Come and get Mother. After we get Mother, we can come here and jump." Oh, I want another high five for the day. That was wonderful. Good reading. Wow. All right, are we ready for our next and a new story? All right, we're on day 44. Let's turn to day 44. It looks like these are the children that were at the trampoline. They're dressed the same. And remember that we talked about that I wonder if they are twins, right? Do you remember that word twins, and what does that mean? It means two children that are born to the same mommy, all right, at the same time, the same day. So they have the same birthday. It can be two boys, it can be two girls, or it can be a boy and a girl. And here we have a boy and a girl, and they are twins. Sometimes twins don't have to look the same. These look very much the same, but they don't have to look the same to be twins. They just have to have the same birthday exactly the same time. All right, and here's Mother with the car, and there's the twins. Now we have to see what they're going to decide to do. All right, here is the story. So we have to look at our new words. And before we even look at these new words, Mrs. Carl wants to show you something. Do we see here? What is this word? Good. In. You knew that word. What is that word? To. You know that word too. This is the word in, and this is the word to. Well, in reading, sometimes what we do is we put letters together. We call those compound words. We put two words together. Two words, and we put them together. Those are called compound words. Now, what is this word? In. And what is this word? To. All right. Here's the magic of it. We're going to put those two together. And what word do we make? What word do we make? Into. The word in and the word to, when you put them together, make the compound word into. Into. I went into the store with you. You went into the store with your mother or your father. Into. Into. You put the word in and the word to together. You make a compound word, and the word is into. Okay, ready for another one? Here we go. Oh, let me get that tape off of there. There it is. All right, here we go. What is this word? Can. Wonderful. What is that word? Not. What is this word again? Can. And what is that word? Not. All right. Can you make a compound word from the words can and not? Did you say cannot? Let's see. Cannot. Well, let's get that out of there. Here we go. Cannot. Can and not. Put them together in a compound word, and it's cannot. 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 Can and not is cannot. Now, if you saw this big long word, you'd say, oh, I can't read that, Mrs. Carl. That's too long. That's too hard to read. But it isn't really. Not if you think about that it's made up of two words. Two words you already know. The word can is right here. The word not is right there. And you have cannot. So what is this word? Into. In and to. Compound, put them together. Into. What is this word? Cannot. Can and not. Put them together. Compound word. Cannot. Now, you are going to be so excited because you don't need to know any more new words this time. There are no new words because you already know them. We put in and to together, and what did we get? into, the compound word into. We put can and not together, and what word did we get? Cannot. Those are the two new words today, so you already know them. Let's read together. Good reading now. The mother said, "Come, jump into the car. We can all go to the store to get the cake." Oh, they must have to get a special cake. I wonder maybe if it's someone's birthday or something. Well, they're going to get a cake at the store. Who's going to read next? The girl. Let's read it. The girl said, "No, no, no, Mother." I wonder why she would tell her mother no. All right, let's read. "We cannot go. Come see the big boy jump. We cannot go into the car. See him jump up and down. We can jump up and down too." So there, she's very, very excited about wanting to show her mother about the jumping on the trampoline. Now let's see what the mother is going to say. Help me read it. The mother said, "Come and jump into the car. We cannot go into the store now. We can go see you and the big boy jump." Oh, good. She's going to take them over to watch him jump on the trampoline, and hopefully they'll be able to jump too. Super reading. Good job. Thanks for helping me so well. Okay, let's do it again now. Good expression. Remember, into, two words put together, and cannot, two words put together. Compound words. Here we go. Read it together now. The mother said, "Come, jump into the car. We can all go to the store to get the cake." The girl said, "No, no, no, Mother. We cannot go. Come, see the big boy jump. We cannot go into the car. See him jump up and down. We can jump up and down too." The mother said, "Come and jump into the car. We cannot go into the store now. We can go see you and the big boy jump." Terrific. Wonderful. Now this is a practice. Please take the time to read it so that your reading gets a little bit faster. That's what you're trying to do with the practice. You're trying to read it with good expression and so that it gets faster. I'm so proud of you and how you're reading, and I'm having so much fun being here with you. Thank you for sharing your reading with me. See you later.